Welcome students, how are you all? Today we are going to start with the topic sentence and its types. Now, what is a sentence? Sentence can be any group of words that expresses complete meaning. This is what we have to take care. Sentence is a group of words that expresses complete meaning or gives complete sense. For example, cow the grass eats. Do you think so? Does it make a sense? This is also a group of words. No. Now let us see this one. This group of words. The cow eats grass. Does this sentence or does this group of words make sense? Yes. So this group of words which is making sense or is sensible is known as sentence. Now there are 4 types of sentences. Declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences. Today in this video we are going to learn about declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are also known as assertive sentences. Now declarative sentences are what? Declarative sentences are actually those sentences which simply state something or tell the facts. These sentences always ends in a full stop. This is what you have to remember. Now, for example, he writes neatly. The birds fly in the sky. These 2 sentences are declarative sentences because they are simply stating something. Now children, remember one thing, declarative sentences can be written as affirmative, that is positive, or in a negative form. So a declarative sentence can be a positive sentence or a negative sentence. An affirmative sentence can be changed to negative by simply adding not. And where this not can be added? It can be added after the helping verbs. Now you must be thinking, what are helping verbs? Verbs, we know they are the action words which show some action. They are called the main verbs. But when these verbs, main verbs, are helped by the other verbs, they are called the helping verbs. Now here are some examples of the helping verbs. They are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, may, can, will, shall, etc. These are the few examples of helping verbs for you to understand what are actually helping verbs, because after the helping verb only we are going to add not to make the affirmative sentence to the negative sentence. Now let us understand this concept with the help of few examples. Before that, please note HV here stands for helping verb and MV here stands for the main verb. Now have a look of the first example. He can run fast. Can is the helping verb and run is the main verb as it is showing the action. So where are we going to add not? We are going to add not after can. So the negative sentence will be he cannot run fast. Now let us have a look of second sentence. This sentence, she is cooking food, is affirmative or the positive sentence. To make it negative, what we have done? She is, after is, that is helping verb, we have added not and cooking food. Third, we will play cricket. We will not play cricket. They have bought a new car. They have not bought a new car. So my dear children, with the help of these examples, you must have understood the concept of how we can change the positive sentences to negative sentences, and even you must have understood what are declarative sentences. On the basis of the understanding, 2 questions are given here in the worksheet. Kindly do them neatly in your English practice notebook. Thank you very much. Please take good care of yourself.